So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can save Canva design to Word document. So first of all, let's open Canva. Now, here's the design. Click on the share button. Now click on download. And for file type, select PDF standard. Click on download. Now, let's save it to desktop. Click on save. Now after this, open any browser on your PC. Let's open Safari. Now here search for PDF to Word converter. Now here, open this first link which says convert PDF to Word. Now after this, click on select PDF file and select the design. Click on upload. Now click on convert to Word. Now click on download Word. Click on allow. And now as you can see here, the extension of this file is .docx, which means this is a Word document now. So this I can save Canva design as Word document. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.